Viele dansen ist antiguo en mia calte da woche reichtum Quinless a charm na glasse de ris Is tu sen skill Nari miri amasan
Okay, that was wild, right? Never ever in my wildest dreams would I ever think this would be possible, to create such amazing Celtic music with AI. Wow! Hey there, and how are you doing? In this video, I am going to show you how you can create your own Celtic music channel with AI. I will show you how to make the music and how to customize your channel. So are you excited? Let's go! First, we go to ChatGPT to get the music prompts, and I really go inspired to make this video because I was listening to some old Celtic music CDs, and so I asked ChatGPT if it knows those CDs with that kind of music. Then I wrote, well, I want to make a channel with that kind of music. Please give me 10 prompts to create that kind of music, and yes, please make each song a bit different. I will use these prompts and generate the music in an AI music generator. Now we copy one prompt and go to the amazing Music Creator AI. Now paste the prompt and press the Generate button. Now press the button again and it will start. After a few seconds, we can already have a listen, and we get 2 songs each prompt. Wow, that sounds amazing! This one is also nice. Let's download both. Since I want to make a channel and schedule a lot of video, I asked for more than one prompt. So let's copy the other prompt and let it generate as well. This will take some time. Download the songs. To get the illustrations for our songs, we will go to ChatGPT and ask, "Oh, nice, please give me for each prompt another prompt, but this time an image prompt to create an image with an AI image generator to accommodate the music." Now, copy the first prompt and go to an AI image generator. I will use the Higgsfield AI image generator. I will use the Nano Banana Pro model. Let's generate them all. They look lovely. Let's ask ChatGPT for a good channel name. Pure Celtic is a nice name. Now we will ask it to give us an image prompt for the YouTube profile image. Generate it as well, and change the aspect ratio accordingly. This looks perfect. Let's do the same process for the YouTube channel banner. I will use this old channel for our Celtic music channel. Let's go to customization and change everything there. Just follow along. Let's add a keyword. And let's set the category to music. Now we will open a new project in our favorite video editing program, and we will add the music and the image. And guys, I will also add the channel name. Now upload it. Let's create the other video. Fast forward, and you can see that I uploaded all these different tracks and I have scheduled them. So, if this turns out to be a big hit, I will surely report on this. Now it is your turn. Have a lot of fun and see you in the next video. Bye.
Sientume I triena huije Nu erelianan baile I sarianan queen Nil fakta ach fokal